So I was having a discussion with a coworker, and we were talking about tuning guitars. And I told him, well, that's great that you can tune a guitar, but unfortunately, can't tune a fish. What's going on? It's Martin Ross, and today we're going to be breaking down Blxst. You got it all. Sample from the Spinners, I Found Love. Before we get into it, you know the drill. If you like these samples, check out my Sound Lilbrary resource. Link is in the description. Also, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And most important, a lot of you are watching and not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell so that way you get further updates straight to the device. And, well, if you know somebody likes this, share it to them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so for the very first part, the meat of the song is literally just the beginning sample. Let's play that. All right, and then I pitched it up 1 cent. Okay, moving on to the bass. The bass, I'm following the C minor scale. The notes that I'm going to be using is F, E flat, then I'm going to use B flat, G, then C, C, both octaves, C, all right? And it's going to go like this. All right, I'll play it back. All right, everybody's favorite part. If you know Blxst, keep it simple. Sounds great. So the only thing I've got going on is my kick, my hi-hat, my clap, the shaker, and everybody's favorite, the Zapp and Roger scratch there. So let's hear what it sounds like. Just a little reminder, those hi-hats, they got a little bit of triplets in them, 1/8 triplets. Also the shaker, just kind of make the velocities like different to kind of give it a more humanistic feel, but that's it. All right, so here we are. So excluding the intro where the singer's just singing, we're all done. Essentially, that's just it. So let's hear what it sounds like.
One look at you, and my heart knew you were the one for me.
Yeah. That Roger sample sounds so good. Zapp and Roger, baby. All right, there you have it. We broke down, you got it all. It was sampled from the Spinners, I Found Love, so please check that out. If you like these samples, please check out the links in the description. Also hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you've gotten this far, help me grow my channel. Subscribe, click the bell, and if you know that somebody might like the video, share it. This is Martin Ross breaking down You Got It All by Blxst. Take care.
One look at you, and my heart knew you were the one.